Here is our high-performance plate induction heat treatment line. It is widely used for heat treatment of all kinds of metal plates, equipped with mature induction heating system. It features fast heating speed and remarkable energy-saving effect. Precise temperature control ensures uniform heating across workpieces. The full automatic production line greatly improves working efficiency. The equipment runs steadily and requires little daily maintenance. Solid structure guarantees long service life. Choose us for reliable processing solutions.